how to play 1v1 with your friends in Brawl Stars. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can play 1v1 with your friends in Brawl Stars. So let's get started with the video. So firstly, launch your Brawl Stars application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Once you are signed in, you will land to this page. So the first way you can invite your friends is by tapping on the invite icon under each profile. You can tap on any one of it and then tap on friends. Now here you can easily go ahead and find your friend using their ID, then tapping on add friend, or simply tap on share invite and share it using your social media, or you can send them your QR by tapping on my QR, and by this they can easily add you as a friend. And once you have added your friend, make sure you select the friendly battle. For that, tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right, then select friendly battle. Now tap on solo showdown at the bottom and tap on any of the showdown that you want to play with a friend. Make sure to select the duo option. Now what you want to do is go ahead and turn off all the bots by tapping on this green icon, then turn all the bots off. Once you do this, all you want to do is simply go ahead and tap on the play option, and now you can start playing. So that is how you can play 1v1 with your friends in Brawl Stars. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.